Bounty Block, my favorite social media contest tool, which I'm sure you all are familiar with, recently did a sick upgrade. They added a lot of functionality to their app, including rewarding people for holding a Bitcoin ordinal. So this is just another example of some devs that are now like, oh, maybe we should build on Bitcoin a bit. And in my opinion, the more people build on Bitcoin, the more other people are going to build on Bitcoin. And I think it's good that there's higher demand for block space. I think it's good that there's new fun things to do on Bitcoin. And I think whatever's good for Bitcoin is, by association, good for the rest of the blockchain space. So I'm super, super happy and excited about these Bitcoin ordinals. Maybe it's just a fad. Maybe it'll all blow over in a couple months and no one will care anymore. It's possible. Who knows exactly how this is going to play out. But my feeling is that this is not a fad, and this is actually a space that's going to continue to grow. So about Bounty Block, I just shared the tweet here in the chat. Here are some of the new features and enhancements that Bounty Block released this week. Hold BTC ordinals task. Other tasks include like a tweet, quote retweet with a keyboard, upload photo videos with keyboard, MailChimp integration, Reddit task to a subreddit, upload GIF as contest graphic for the Bounty Block contest. And then some behind the scenes delete contests directly, fix blank screen issues, displaying short URL in contests, fix some glitches, etc. But overall, big update. We're already using some of the new features in our promos, for example, for the hot sauce. And who knows, maybe holding Pomelo ordinals will become, a bonus task that people can do in future Bounty Block contests. I have no idea. We haven't thought or planned that far, but just there's just more options now, which is always great to see. So big shout out to Dimitri and the whole team at Bounty Block. Very responsive. If you guys want to use the Bounty Block social media contest app, it is whitelist only. Create your account, send the application, ping me and be like, hey, Steph, I sent out an application, and I can ping the team, especially if I know you in the community. I'll definitely vouch for you. This tool is very powerful. We don't want just anyone spamming all of the accounts on EOS with all sorts of NFTs. So the access is sort of limited. But if you've been around, I'm more than happy to vouch for you and put you in touch with the Bounty Block team, get you guys going. And using another EOS native app. So this app was built for EOS first, or Bounty Block started on EOS, built this app, I think for Wax first. They deployed it on EOS, and now they've deployed it on other networks as well. So shout out to Dimitri, another OG in the EOS community that is now years later building apps that the wider crypto space is using. So that's great.